I'm sitting too long. Really. Sitting. Just sitting. I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. Sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. I gotta get up and move around. I'm sitting too long. I'm eating too much. You know I'm eating way too much. How many times have I said I would change? Well, today's not really different. Oh no, 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 no. I gotta get up from the table. I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long.
I'm sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. Sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. Sitting too long. I'm sitting too long. Sitting too long. I'm sitting too long.
We gotta get out from City Station. Let's take a walk around the block. We'll be right back in 10.
Hey everybody, Rolf the Wolf here, taking you for a walk. What's this happening to Rolf's body? Yeah, I'm getting back to shape I was in. Time keeps slipping, I'm slipping away. But that don't matter to me none, 'cause Rolf gets better every day. I ain't sitting too long, Rolf. I ain't sitting too long anymore. No way, I ain't sitting too long, Rolf. It's good. I ain't sitting too long anymore. Love you, Jimmy.